Hi guys, so this is a tutorial to carry out your LOLER and PPE checks. These are a check that you'll need to do, and you can do it from your tablet or you can do it from your app, and you need to do these once a week at least. Okay, so when you go into it, what you need to do first is to create a job. So on the left hand side you'll see a list, and you go into jobs, and then what you'll need to do is create a new job from your app or tablet. So if you look on the right hand side, right at the bottom, it says create new job. So click that. So the first thing you need to do is to put in the contact. So all of the staff worksheets are under the address of HRG Tree Surgeons, and they all have their own name. But as this is a LOLER and PPE check, you just need to search for LOLER. So if you click into search contact, search name, which is LOLER, and then click LOLER and PPE check. So do you want to create a job right now for you? Yes. Now you need to select the job type. So each one of you will have your own individual LOLER and PPE checks which are under your names. So you just need to find your name. So for the purposes of this, I'm going to be Dan. So I'm just going to find Dan's name, Dan Langford, there. Okay. So now it's created the job for you. You just need to select the job at the top. So first of all, you just need to accept the job, which is on the right hand side, second box down. As it's saying it's a job, you do need to click that you've started driving, again, second box down. And then you need to start the job, which is the second box down. So this will then give you the list of all of the items which I've got that are that were from your last 6 monthly LOLER checks. So if there is anything incorrect in here, then I do have another sheet that you can complete, which will tell me if there's any items that you've added or removed from your kit, and there'll be a separate instruction video on how to do that. So you just need to go through the list. So on each item, you just of the climbing kit, you just need to say whether it's safe or whether it's failed. So if it's failed, it's really important that that you put that it's failed, because any failed items will send me an email and tell me that it's failed, and we can make sure that we get that fixed for you. So I'm just going to go through. Okay, so that's all of the climbing kit. Oh. And then further down the bottom, all of you will have your PPE kit. So you just need to check that that's all in working order and safe to use. And then the last question on there will say, do you have any failed or damaged items to report? So if you do, please make sure that you click this item as yes. And then it may ask you to add a photo. I don't need to add a photo at the moment. And then if you can add a photo of any of the failed items, so if it's a specific rope or any damage done to a certain item, please take a photo of that. If during the check you did do repairs to an item, so for example if you cleaned a carabiner, then please make sure that you put details of what you've done on here, just so we've got a record of any sort of repairs that you've done. And then at the bottom, just click the tick, and that will take you back in. And then right at the end, it will tell you to put your name, and then it will ask you to sign it. And then to finish the job, in the top right hand corner, you click finish job. And that's it, it's done. I can't imagine that this will take you any more than 10 or 15 minutes a week. It is a legal requirement, and everyone must do this. So please make sure that you're doing this on a weekly basis. But if you have any questions, then please let me know.